This was alarming for a lot of people. The Texas Windstorm Insurance Association approved a 10% rate increase for 2025 policies across 14 coastline counties. So to talk more about this, we are joined by TWIA's Senior Legislative and External Affairs Manager, Anna Stafford. Anna, thank you so much for joining us. So first off, can you explain what TWIA is in the first place?
Sure. Thank you for having me. The Texas Windstorm Insurance Association was created by the Texas legislature in 1971 to provide an adequate market for wind and hail insurance on the Texas coast. So we only offer coverage to the 14 coastal counties of Texas and then a small portion of Harris County that's east of Highway 146.
So when you look at this 10% rate increase, obviously that's alarming to a lot of people. Why was this voted in?
So we are required every year to make a rate filing with the Texas Department of Insurance. To do that, we prepare by doing an analysis of how adequate our rates are to cover our operating expenses and then future claims from storms. And so when we did our analysis this year, it showed that our rates were very inadequate to cover our operating expenses and those future storm claims. And so that information was presented to our board of directors, and they voted to make a rate filing of 10%.
So is it possible that we could see more increases in the future then?
Typically, TWIA is only voting on rates when we are required to annually. We have to submit that rate filing by August 15th each year. So historically, we are only doing that in the August timeframe. It is always possible to do it outside of that, but for us, historically, it's been in August.
And one last question. I know that you deal with a lot of people on the coastline. Obviously, we also have people in our viewing area that are not on the coastline. So does this affect them in any way?
This would not apply to them unless you are a policyholder of the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association located in our coverage area, which is in the Texas coast. This rate increase would not apply to you.
All right. Thank you so much for that great information. I appreciate you breaking it down.
You're welcome.